Do you want to know how you can log into your Quickwrite AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Quickwrite AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar and search for Quickwrite AI login. Click on the second link which appears and you can see login over here. Click login and then you can either log in using your Google account or you can simply log in using your email credentials. Go ahead and click on this email box, write down your email address, write down your password in the box below, and then click login. After you click login, you will be successfully logged into your Quickwrite AI account. If you click on this box over here, you will be logged in. And then if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and you can recover your password back again. If you want to skip all of this and want to log in with Google, just click on this button over here and choose your Google account. Click continue to sign in with Quickwrite.ai. And then you can sign in to your Quickwrite AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, make sure you enjoy.